Hello everyone, this video emphasizes the use of smart grid AI in electricity conservation. While energy is essential for development, millions of people still lack access to reliable electricity. Let us first discuss the smart grid AI. Smart grid AI is revolutionizing energy management by integrating artificial intelligence with modern grid technologies. It leverages key innovations like machine learning, IoT, Internet of Things, big data analytics, and advanced sensors to optimize energy distribution, enhance grid reliability, and seamlessly integrate renewable energy sources. SDG 7 promotes clean and affordable energy. Smart grid AI supports this by making energy smarter, greener, and more efficient. Today, I want to address some of the most pressing challenges in the energy sector that hinder the achievement of affordable and clean energy for all. First, limited access to electricity remains a critical issue in many rural and underserved areas. Despite efforts, vast regions still lack reliable, affordable electricity. The high infrastructure costs and challenges in remote areas make it difficult to provide consistent energy access to everyone. Secondly, we face significant integration challenges with renewable energy sources like solar and wind. These resources, while abundant, are intermittent and hard to integrate into our existing power grids. This makes it difficult to rely on them fully, limiting their scalability and reliability. Additionally, our outdated and inefficient grid infrastructure is a major concern. Traditional grids are not equipped to handle modern energy demands. They suffer from energy losses, lack automation, and don't have the necessary fault detection systems, which makes them both inefficient and unreliable. Another significant issue is the financial losses and unmonitored consumption in our energy systems. Challenges like electricity theft, unpredictable demand surges, and the absence of real-time monitoring contribute to economic inefficiencies and waste. These problems can be overcome using smart grid AI by following ways. Access to clean, reliable energy is still a major challenge, especially in rural and underserved areas. Smart grid AI tackles this by managing decentralized sources like solar and wind through microgrids, ensuring stable supply. It balances renewable energy with demand, stabilizes distribution, and upgrades outdated grids with real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. It also detects electricity theft, reduces waste, and supports cost-effective power access for all. By optimizing renewables and forecasting future needs, smart grid AI helps reduce fossil fuel dependence. In short, it powers a cleaner, smarter, and more inclusive energy future. Hereby we conclude that smart grid AI is a game changer for clean and reliable energy. It improves efficiency, reduces losses, supports renewables, and ensures fair access, especially in rural areas. It's a key step toward achieving SDG 7 and building a more sustainable and inclusive energy future. Thank you.